video today. If you saw the last video, he saw my real squishies, and now he's going to be rating my homemade ones. So he got the coronavirus one right here.
Oh, it's going to make me sneeze.
Yes, got the coronavirus one. So what did you rate it? What did you rate it?
I rate that a 7.
7? Ooh. Now that is a homemade simple dimple, not the best. But so it does this, guys. You like just pop it like that. And what did you rate it?
I give that a 6.5.
This is a homemade tangle. Now you may go around it. Oh, I handcuffed him.
Uh-oh.
I know. I know. I don't have the key, so I have to pull it. So this is like a homemade tangle. And this is the real version. This is the homemade version. There's a big difference. So what did you rate this one?
Let's give that a 6.8.
Here, guys. Sorry, that's my dog.
Who's barking at?
Maruka's there. So sorry about that, guys. It's just my dog. She's another dog. So she's going to be barking now. So sorry about that. Okay. Choose another. You chose the taco. This is taco.
Feels like a taco.
Most of these I opened out of blind bags. If you saw in some of my other videos, I just tear them open and got some of these paper squishies out of them. So yeah, and this one came from the taco one. So what did you rate this?
I like tacos. 9.
9? Oh, a 9! You got an ice cream.
Now, if I could eat it, I'd rate it a 10, but I can't eat it, so I'm going to give you a 9.2.
Oh, I was going to say 5. And then, oh, the alien one? That's the alien one?
I believe in aliens. 10.
Oh, 10. He gave me a 10.
Oh,
A cat. Meow, meow.
this makes Lulu bark, so we're going to give this a low one. We're going to give this a 4.
Oh, man. Okay. Look, it's going to be a little bark there.
What is this? Guy from SpongeBob?
No, it's a UFO.
Oh.
It came in the
I
galaxy
thought it
blind
was
bag.
plankton.
No.
That looks like plankton.
Guys, comment down below. Does this look like plankton
That
or
looks like
UFO?
plankton.
Does this look like a plankton or
Plankton.
UFO?
I'm telling you, plankton wearing a floaty.
Comments in the comment below. Let's see what they choose. A rocket.
Uh-oh.
It has fire.
I like rockets. And look, like the fire.
Yeah.
That's 10.
I tried to find a yellow marker, but I couldn't. Choose one. Wait, there's a note in here. Okay, there's only one. How about that one? That's like makeup brushes. I'm just gonna take this note
So then
out.
it's that way. I thought it was something with 3-legged box.
No, it's makeup brushes.
Okay. That
In a
looks like
case.
that.
What did you rate it though?
3-legged box gets a 7. Makeup brush gets a 2 because I don't know anything about makeup.
So this one is a taco. What do you rate it?
I think it's French fries. That green French fries.
Ew, what do you rate it?
2.
Moldy French fries.
Uh-oh. We're getting down to the nitty-gritty here.
1. A
Donuts.
makeup palette. No, a makeup palette.
I thought it was donuts. That would be a jelly donut, and that would be a regular glazed donut.
Oh yeah.
And
I love
being it's in the
glaze.
shape of an 8, I give it an
Oh! Carvel.
8. Okay. There is no free advertising here. We need sponsorship. I'm not going to rate it until Carvel sends us a check.
We're sponsoring Carvel now, I guess. So, guys, I'm going to sponsor Carvel and then you're going to rate it.
Here's purple French fries.
Cupcake!
Oh, okay. It's a big puffy cupcake with a lot of icing on it. That's a 10. I like that icing.
Slime.
Slime.
He hates
I don't
slime.
like slime
He
at all.
hates slime.
That's a negative 10.
He hates slime.
Negative 10.
He hates it.
Oh, that's a heart. That gets a 10. Right? It's a
Purple
heart.
heart. Yeah, it's a heart.
Oh, it's a purple heart. That
It's
gets
almost
a
a
10.5.
broken staple. A doggo.
I thought that was a fishing hook.
Oh my
A
god!
lure. A fishing lure.
No.
Go catch a big old bass with that. That's a 10. It's a balloon.
Yeah, it's a balloon.
Lulu doesn't like balloons. We're giving
Oh,
this
she
a
hates
0.
them. Oh, she hates
You
balloons.
can't have balloons in the
She
house.
hates
Here's another
balloons.
balloon. That goes right in that
0.
pile. 0, 0.
That's a
It's a
sombrero.
Mexican I knew it
Sombrero.
was a sombrero.
A sombrero.
I like the Mexicans. I like Mexican food too. That's a 10.
Yes, the rice. And tacos.
Oh, here's another balloon. Lou's scared. We gotta get rid of that one.
Lily, are you scared?
No balloons for Lulu. Oh, that looks like Lulu's food with the fishing hook stuck inside it. Oh, no, wait. It's a cat with a fishing hook nose.
And with the staple that's
Look at
broken.
that. Oh, boy.
Oh yeah, I just
This-
noticed. Look, guys, it's a fishing. I will catch a catfish with this because it's a cat.
There's another balloon. Gotta get rid of that.
Goodbye, this small balloon.
Okay.
Another
I
balloon.
think we got 99 balloons over here. That's a song. 99. Uh-oh.
Apple.
It's backwards. So it's Apple.
Apple. Apple.
Apple. Oh,
A phone.
it's a rectangle.
It's a phone.
Nobody's answering. Okay. That is.
An Among Us character.
I thought it was a chomp chomp monster.
Oh my god! No. Oh,
Chomp
oh.
chomp 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 chomp.
Pac-Man.
chomp. There you go.
And if comment in the comment below if you know what Among Us is.
And we have a whole bunch more of those Chinese
Tangles. They're tangles.
finger cuffs.
This is a tangle.
Hold your fingers in place.
Oh my god.
And that's it for the
Yep, that's it. So I
homemade.
have a bunch of homemade stuff. And he rated all of them. And he hates balloons because Lulu hates them, so he hates them. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, a balloon fell on the floor. A balloon fell on the floor.
Oh.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.